opening up the box, we have the truck here, and then we have the instruction manual. There's another like box inside here, which we'll see what comes in this box. And okay, well, we got a screwdriver, a USB charger, and then we have the transmitter. So playing with the transmitter here, you can hear it click when you use the forward and reverse, and then you also hear it click when you turn. It does have a nice foam steering wheel on there. And then here is your on and off switch, and then there's two buttons here, but they aren't real. And then it takes two AA batteries. So it does come in two different models. We have the 58679, which is this model right here. And then we have the 58680, which is this body style. And here is the truck. It says it's a 1/18 scale, but it is definitely smaller because I have my Latrax, and that's a 1/18 scale right there. So it's considerably smaller. I would put it at like a 1/20th scale maybe, or even a 1/22nd. It's pretty small. It also says on the box here that it comes with, well, it does come with rubber tires. Some soft rubber tires here. And then this spare is actually a usable spare. It's screwed fast to the body here, but you can use it as a spare. It also says hydraulic shock absorber. I don't think it's hydraulic. No, that is just your regular spring shock there, not hydraulic. And then it says it has metal bearings. I kind of doubt that as well. So let's take this wheel off and see what it uses. If it uses metal bearings or just a plastic bushing. And as you can see there's no bearings in the wheel, and it's just this plastic piece right here that spins the wheel. It's on like a little metal axle that's right there poking through, and that's it. Let's take the body off and see what is underneath. And then they have these clips back here. They're so, I'm afraid to take these out because I don't know how I'm going to get them back in. I might have to take this wheel off to get these body clips back in. So there's what's underneath the body. Can't really see anything. Everything is enclosed inside here. So let's see what kind of battery it comes with. And there it is. It comes with a 4.8 volt, 700 milliamp hour nickel cadmium battery. So that's everything that comes in the box. Obviously the box is very misleading, but it also was only like $16. So I'm gonna leave a link down in the description below where if you like this, you can pick one up. Also on the box, it says 20 plus kilometers per hour. Well, I'm gonna do the conversion on the screen. That seems like it's a little fast. But that's everything that comes in the box. I'm gonna put this together, charge this battery up, and then this RC is ready to run. Okay, so let's test out this MGRC. Kind of curious as to how fast it is. It says on the box it goes 20 kilometers per hour, but I doubt that. This thing is pretty small, so who knows? Maybe I'll be surprised. But here we go. Turn this on, turn the truck on, and like I said, it's non-proportional. And it's two-wheel drive. Same with the steering. You have the all or nothing. So let's test this out and see how fast it is. Okay, there's no way that thing is doing 12.4 miles an hour, because that's what 20 kilometers an hour is. It is not doing that. And of course, the steering does need trimmed. Oh, I forget which way it was going. Let me, okay, so it's going to the right, so we have to trim it to the left a little. Oh, I went too far now. I didn't even move it that far. Okay, that's pretty straight. We'll go with that one. It's not slow, but it's definitely not 20 kilometers per hour or 12.4 miles per hour. See how far we can go up the parking lot here with this. There we're probably, I still have control. I'm probably right around 120 feet away. Let's see if we can go up to that stop sign. That stop sign's probably at least 150, 160 feet. Still going. Yeah. Still turning. All right. It seems like the signal is a little spotty there. All right. So let's bring it back down here. Yeah, I can't turn it. I just lost. Oh, it went through the grass though. Okay, here we go. Now I got control of it again. Ooh, must have hit a rock there. So I did not make a turn like. I mean, it looks pretty cool. I like the way this thing looks. All right, well, you know what? We're here at one of my favorite spots. I usually film my boat videos here at this lake, but they do have a pretty cool trail that goes like through the woods there, and then there's a waterfall. So let's take this truck down on the and I'm actually kind of surprised at how well it did in like some of the grass and some of the stones and stuff. Although this is kind of like just a pavement type RC car, but still I paid around 16 bucks for this, and in my opinion, I mean, just the looks alone, I love the way this little thing looks. We did make it to the waterfall. I
I don't know if you can hear me. Maybe the waterfall might be too loud, but I will put this in for the March giveaway for the ground vehicles. And this is where you decide what the giveaway is. The giveaway RC vehicle is going to be the RC vehicle that has the highest likes at the end of this month. If you like this truck, you want to see this be the giveaway, then go ahead and hit that like button. Also, you have to be a subscriber from the United States to be eligible, but all you have to do to enter is just comment below. And I suggest you comment on all the vehicles that I'm going to feature this month, because we don't know which one's going to be the giveaway. I'm only going to pick comments from the video that has the most likes. But get your comment in before March 30th, and then March 31st, I'm going to make a video announcing which RC is the giveaway RC, and also picking the winner of that RC. So good luck to everybody. But if you didn't do it already, right over here is a little subscribe button. Go ahead and click that. Smack that like if you want this MGRC to be the giveaway RC for March. But I hope to see you with the next Ready to Run RC.
With